How to delete all your TikTok videos in one click. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by opening your TikTok application and click on these three bars on the top right and go for the setting and privacy. Once you are enter here, you have to scroll all the way down to this report problem. Simply click on that and you will be taken to their help center. So what you have to do is here simply again scroll all the way down to this submit our report. So simply click on that and you have to type this message that you want to delete all of your TikTok videos from your account, as I think that it might violate your community guidelines. So once you have typed this message, you can also include some few lines. After that, you have to click on the submit and TikTok gonna help you in deleting all of your video from TikTok.